Okay, today we are dividing by tens, and the first thing I'll do is I'll set up just in the corner the steps that we're going to be taking. So the first step is divide, then we multiply, subtract, and bring down. And then if we need to, we start those steps over. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at our division, and we're going to look at the 23. So if I have 23, I want to think of how many groups of 10 could I make if I had 23. So I can make 2 groups of 10. So I line that up above my 3. I multiply the 2 and the 10 to get 20. Subtract to get 3, and then bring down the 1. And then I'll repeat those steps. So if I have 31, how many groups of 10 can I make? And I can make 3. 3 times 10 is 30. Subtract, I get 1. And that 1 will be my remainder because I don't have any more digits to bring down. So I'd write remainder of 1.